and welcome back to KD's Business Tips. Michael Lapede here, going to talk to you a bit about the basics of bookkeeping. All businesses need good bookkeeping. Good accounting starts with the foundation of good bookkeeping. So if you have good accounting, it started with good bookkeeping. And if you have good bookkeeping, good accounting, then hopefully you have good tax preparation and tax savings. So bookkeeping is that very important part of the management of the company's finances. And it records the daily, regular transactions, every financial transaction, right? Accurately, consistently, in a timely manner, counting for everything, nothing's missed, right? And really, when we're making financial decisions, we need good financial reporting, therefore it comes from good bookkeeping again, okay? So bookkeeping, when we say it's the act of recording those transactions, you have to have a system to track those and to record those transactions. So you may use Excel, you may use whatever, but the bottom line is you need a system. Many people use QuickBooks, QuickBooks Online, QuickBooks Desktop, but there's various methods out there. I mean, some people are using old T ledgers and doing it in a ledger book. I mean, depending on your situation, there's various ways to do it. We do recommend software, things like QuickBooks, of course, because that's the best way to do it. But there's so many ways. So you need to decide on a system, and you need to stick with that system for at least a cycle of a fiscal year, because if you're going to make a change in your system or your software, do it at the end of a fiscal year, okay? Now, a bookkeeper will typically record sales and income, expenses, payments, asset purchases, liability, loan payments on those leases and loans, investments and so forth. There's various things that they record, but those are the main ones, okay? And we want to make sure that we are being responsible in the way we do bookkeeping, because we're going to prepare financial documents. We're going to prepare maybe invoicing as part of our, remember, bookkeeping is entering the data, but bookkeepers also prepare stuff. Prepare financial reports, and maybe they do the invoicing. Sometimes the bookkeeper does the invoice. Sometimes they manage the payroll. Sometimes they collect the accounts receivable and pay the bills. And depending is you might have a bookkeeper doing other roles, because when we look at a financial department, there's bookkeeper, accountant, controller, and CFO. Most companies don't have all four of those. So a bookkeeper might be doing the accountant and the bookkeeper job, for example. Sometimes even it's part of the controller job. So keep that in mind, that there's lots of things they may do that is outside of recording the transactions. And the following principles for a bookkeeper, I'll leave it here: accuracy, reliability, timeliness, consistency, and simplicity for your systems and processes. Got any questions on bookkeeping? We're experts. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for being a part of our Business Tips, and we'll see you in the next video.